is domain and range. If x and y are related by the equation y is equal to f of x, then the set of all allowable inputs, that is, values of x, is called domain of f, and the set of outputs, y values, that results when x varies over domain is called the range of f. Now this can be very clear when we solve an example. For example, 1. A very simple example, y is equal to x plus 2. Now, in this, we see that it is of the form y is equal to f of x, and as per the definition, we have already given the range. Range is already given. Range given. So, we have to find out the domain for that. Domain. So, which means that we have to write x in terms of y, which means we will put the values of y and get the values of x. So, y is equal to x plus 2. Rearranging the term, y minus 2 is equal to x. So, x is equal to y minus 2 is the domain for the function, and as per the given definition, that all the set allowable inputs of x is called the domain of f, which means all known values of y, we will get the values of x. So this is the domain.
So let's start with the question. That is question number 1. We can say y is equal to x square plus 1. Now if we see this, we have the form y is equal to f of x, which means y in term of x, and in the given question y is equal to x square plus 1, we have y in term of x. So range is given. Now we have to find out the domain for the function, so we have to just simplify it. I'm not going to use any complex method in the solving of domain and range of the function, as in many books use. So y is equal to x square plus 1, then we can write as y minus 1 is equal to x square, or x square is equal to y minus 1. Taking square root, we get two values, plus minus under root y minus 1. So we have two domains of the given function, that is y is equal to x square plus 1. Now this is another question in which we have to find out the domain of the function, because the range of the function is already given as y is equal to x square plus x minus 6. Now in this question we see that the given function have a quadratic equation which is factorizable, which means we are going to make the factors. So first of all we'll find out the factor. Y is equal to x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6, because when we multiply with plus 3 and minus 2 we get minus 6, and when we subtract we get plus 1, which requires the solution. Now y is equal to x plus 3 minus 2 x plus 3, then x plus 3 and x minus 2. Now either y is equal to x plus 3 or y is equal to x minus 2. Now simplifying, we get y minus 3 is equal to x or y plus 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to y minus 3 and x is equal to y plus 2 is the required domain. Because range is already given. Now this is another question. X is equal to y minus 1 divided by y plus 1. Here we have given the domain of the function and we have to find out the range of the function. So in this way, first of all we are going to simplify, that is cross multiplying y plus 1 with x. Y plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. So xy plus x is equal to y minus 1. Since we have to find out the range, so we have to arrange the variables of the function in the form that on the right hand side we get x and on the left hand side we get y. So we can rearrange it as xy minus y is equal to minus x minus 1. So x minus 1 y is equal to minus x minus 1. So y minus x minus 1 over x minus 1. Now see, we have changed the term of the variables from x to y, and it is the required range. Now one thing also to be noted, that the function may not be exactly as of range. Now question number 4, we have a trigonometric function and we have to find out its domain because the range is already given. So since it is a trigonometric function, so we have to shift this sign to the left hand side and it will become the inverse. So sine inverse y is equal to x plus 1, and now just simply rearranging sine inverse y minus 1 equal to x. Therefore x is equal to sine inverse y, and y is the angle, so we will maintain it in the brackets and minus 1. So first of all we will maintain the brackets of the trigonometric function. So required domain. Now in this question we have y is equal to x divided by mod of x. Now we know that mod of x is always equal to x, because when we remove these vertical bars it becomes f. Similarly, if we have negative value and when we remove this mod we again get the positive value. So we can replace this mod of x is equal to x in the function, y is equal to x over x, and this x and this x can be cancelled, so y is equal to 1. Now we have to find out the domain, but here we have now constant 1. So we can say there is no domain.